Hello, humans and aliens. Among Us, briefly, is the modern-day version of the game Clue. And we are going to show you the making of a crewmate that has been murdered by an imposter. Let's blast off. We're going to make an Among Us character
on a palm frond.
The first thing that we are going to do is sand it, glorious as it is. Oh, sorry. And then I'm going to show you the sanded version. Okay? It's easy as that. 10 minutes later, my daughter is playing the crap out of this game. Is it cool? To them it is. And that's really all that matters. So I'm making this for my daughter, resemble something that she really loves at this time. Allie. WD-40. Allie. Hello?
Hi.
Are you playing Among Us?
Me?
Are you wearing a suit? We will find a character. We will draw that character out, put it on the palm frond. Let me back this up a little. Boop, boop. Utilize this part of the bridge for some type of instrument that could be used to murder this crewmate. We're going to use this piece as a weapon. That being said, we will do our head and body. I have forgotten that I need a backpack. Backpack here.
Backpack, backpack.
Get to the nitty-gritty. This is going to be the axe, and obviously with an axe, this top area here would be metal. We will paint that with a metal paint and then keep this natural. My daughter has chosen red. These are going to be for the face mask. Add a tad of black to this. This is a suit. If this axe is going into the suit, there would be blood splatter on the inside of the mask. I did a little test run. I took a straw. This crewmate may have been murdered, but he will always be among us. Hey, Rob. Rob. What? You scared the crap out of me. What, Brad? Allie and I were just wondering if you wanted to play Among Us with us. Aren't you saying the same thing in a different way? No, the game Among Us with us, like a family, instead of being in a separate room. I'm doing goat yoga. Keep yourself, man. I'm coming back.